Hey there, procurement pros. Welcome to Learning Procurement, your go-to channel for all things procurement and beyond. I'm super excited to introduce you to a world where AI and data-driven insights are revolutionizing the way we handle procurement. Imagine a future where complex procurement processes are simplified with the click of a button. Picture AI-powered dashboards, automated spend analysis, and seamless supplier risk assessments. That's the future of procurement, and it's here now. At Learning Procurement, I'm dedicated to making these cutting-edge technologies accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to stay ahead of the curve, or someone just starting out in the field, this channel is designed for you. Now, you might be wondering, what sets Learning Procurement apart? Well, I bring you data-driven, easy-to-understand content designed to help both professionals and businesses thrive in today's competitive world. Leveraging powerful AI tools like Nvidia.ai, I create content that breaks down complex concepts into bite-sized, actionable insights. But it's not just about the tech. It's about how you can use these tools to make better decisions, optimize processes, and drive value for your organization. From automated contract management to real-time supplier performance tracking, I cover it all. And here's the best part. I've got a ton of resources lined up for you. Think tutorials, case studies, expert interviews, and much more, all aimed at empowering you with the knowledge and skills to excel in the rapidly evolving world of procurement. So if you're ready to unlock the future of procurement, hit that subscribe button and join our community of forward-thinking professionals. Together, we'll navigate the complexities of procurement, one data-driven insight at a time. Thanks for watching and welcome to Learning Procurement. The future is now, and I can't wait to explore it with you. Stay tuned, stay curious, and let's revolutionize procurement together.